Hi students, so welcome back to my channel. This is a channel which basically promotes education in its best form. So here I'm starting with class 6 science. So we're going to be discussing every class 6 science chapter here. And today we're going to be starting with chapter 1, which is food and where does it come from. So there might be slight changes according to your syllabus, so you can adjust it. But basically if you're going to be getting all this knowledge, then it's going to be a very helpful video for you. So please make sure that you're going to be watching it with as much interest as you can until the end. You can also just click the screenshot of the slides for future reference and help. My introduction, talking about me, I'm Alina Athar and I'm a lecturer in food science department and quality control. So, and I have done my master's in biosciences. So basically, I have a lot of knowledge related to science. So let's just start with today's topic, which is food and where does it come from. So, starting with the introduction to food. Now, what is food? Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for the body. It is essential for survival, growth, and maintenance of health. We all know that food is very important for our health, and for energy, we need to eat food. So it's very important. Basically, that's the basic definition of food, and its importance, its role in energy given. There are energy given foods like carbohydrates and these give you energy, and food provides the energy needed for all the bodily functions and activities. Then for growth and development, we have proteins, nutrients like proteins help in growth and development. Then repair of body tissues also. For health maintenance, we have these minerals and vitamins which are crucial for maintaining a healthy body and to prevent diseases. So these are basically micronutrients, but we can consider them as important aspect of food. Next is food and living beings. So, sorry, we just missed one slide. No, 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 we didn't. Okay. Next, food and living beings. Now, all living organisms, we all need food to live and grow. So, different organisms, they obtain their food in different ways. For example, humans eat a variety of foods. Plants make their own food through photosynthesis. Okay. So basically, how food is related to living beings. Here we are just understanding this basic concept that every organism have their own way to prepare food. Like autotrophs, plants are autotrophs. What are autotrophs? The organism that made their own food. So how plants make food? It's a very important phenomena called photosynthesis help plants to make food. So and then we have carnivores. Carnivores, what do they do? They eat the flesh of other organisms. And then we have omnivores, which eat both. Okay, like grass as well as flesh. So humans come in the category of omnivores. Now, diversity of food. There's a vast diversity in the types of food consumed around the world. Food habits and preferences can vary greatly based on culture, geography, and individual choices. We all know that in different states, different religion, people have different food choices. So every choice is acceptable, and people are um, eat food according to their preference in their nationality or in their region as well as a religion. Some food are prohibited in a certain religion, and some are considered very important. So diversity is like is one of the important aspect of food again. Um, and next is variety of food. Now, what are the different types of food that we are talking about? Number one, fruits and vegetables. This just constitute the bulk. Fruits and vegetables. Examples: apples, bananas, carrots, spinach. इनके importance है कि rich in vitamins. Okay, इनसे आपको vitamins मिलते हैं, minerals मिलते हैं, then fiber मिलता है, which is again fiber is important in the concept of roughage and all that. Then grains and cereals. Grains and cereals are energy giving food basically. Example: rice, wheat, oats, corn. Then importance is ki kya hai ki obviously I told you that these are carbohydrates, so they're going to be providing energy. Then we have proteins. In proteins, we have meat, fish, eggs, beans, lentils. Importance is growth and repair of body tissue. So these are basically bodybuilding food. Then we have dairy products. Dairy products where we have milk, cheese, yogurt, everything that that is made up of milk is or milk and milk products come in the category of dairy products. So these are rich in calcium. Calcium is very essential component of, it's important for your bones as well as teeth health. So yeah, dairy products are rich in calcium. Then we have fats and oils. Though fats and oils are something that we don't need it in bulk. We just need it like in minute quantities. So examples are butter, olive oil, then nuts. Importance that they provide energy and then also help in absorption of certain vitamins. ठीक है, विटामिन का absorption कराते हैं fats and oils. How they provide energy? Sometimes what happened, main source of energy, you know we get energy mainly from carbohydrates, but fats store energy for, in the time of emergency. We can use that stored energy, which is given by fats, and we should know that fats provide the highest amount of energy, like 9 calories something. Then sweets and snacks. For example, chocolates, chips, candies, these comes in the category of sweets and snacks. Why they're important? They should be consumed in moderation. Can be a source of quick energy. Like these are not something which provide you like a lot of nutrients, but they can be like consumed in moderation for quick energy. When you're feeling down, you just have one chocolate or candy. You can just keep it in your purse and take it anywhere. If you have this habit of if you have like this low iron or anything and you need energy like quick energy, it's very important, but just in moderation, not in bulk. Okay, now we have cultural diversity in food habits. So food habits, as I already told you, that we have like wide variety of food in different religions and different cultures. So different cultures, different foods. Each culture has its unique foods and cooking methods. For example, in Italy, when you're gonna be in Italy, then there's pasta. Italy's famous cuisine is pasta. Talking about Indian cuisine, we have curry. Then Japanese, mein we have sushi. So every culture has their own specific food items that are like famous there. Um, Now, celebrations and festivals. Special foods are often prepared for festivals and celebration. Okay, so कुछ ऐसे भी foods होते हैं जो हम अपने सिर्फ we cook during our these festivals and all, like Christmas turkey, then Diwali sweets, and Chinese New Year dumplings. Then for Eid we prepare all this sheer and all that. So yeah. Next is regional specialities. So regional specialties are also there, like local ingredients and recipes are there. Like different regions have specialities based on locally available ingredients. For example, Mediterranean diet rich in olives and fish, Mexican food featuring corn and bananas. So these are like local ingredients and recipes. Now, what is the importance of variety in diet? So we have, what is a balanced diet? We're going to be discussing about balanced diet later also, but I'm going to be giving you a brief of balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet basically means providing every essential nutrients in the right amount. So for that, we need variety of food in our diet because every food has specific nutrients. So if you're going to be having variety of food, then you're going to be having all the kind of nutrients available. Otherwise, if you're going to be having just a certain type of food, like if you're having just cereals all the time, then you're just gonna get carbohydrates. You're not going to get all other nutrients. So it's very important to have variety in diet. Now, balanced nutrition. Eating a variety of foods ensures a balanced intake of nutrients, avoiding monotony. Variety in diet makes me more interesting and enjoyable. If you're going to be eating a certain type of food all the time, then you're going to get bored in the long run. So, to make get this process and to make this process enjoyable and interesting, you need to have this variety. Now, healthy benefits. Now, what are health benefits? Different foods provide different health benefits. Like a varied diet helps in maintaining overall health. Ingredients in food. Now, what are ingredients? Ingredients are the individual components or substances used to prepare a dish or meal. Each ingredient contributes to the taste, texture, nutritional value of the food. Suppose we are making a tea. So to make the tea, what are the ingredients needed? We need tea, like tea leaves, then we need sugar, then we need milk, we need water. So these are the ingredients to make a certain meal or a dish. That's just a drink, but like I'm just talking about the rest of the food also. So ingredients basically these are important components of a food which make the food interesting and different. Each ingredient contributes to, so every ingredient has their own texture and nutritional value. So we can just okay, we have like common ingredients in daily meals. For example, staple foods. Rice, wheat, maize, they come in the category of staple foods. Importance can be serve as a primary source of carbohydrates and energy. Then we have vegetables, for examples, potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, spinach. What they do, they provide vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Then we have fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes, rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sugars. Proteins, meat, fish, eggs, beans, lentils. Importance essential for growth, muscle repair, and overall body maintenance. Then we have spices and condiments like salt, pepper, turmeric, cumin. Importance is enhanced flavor and can have health benefits. Then we have fats and oils at last, and the examples are butter, vegetable oil, ghee. They provide energy and aid in the absorption of certain vitamins. Role of ingredients in cooking. Now, what is the role of different ingredients? Flavor and taste. जैसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स है स्पाइसेस है अलग अलग तरीके के हर्ब्स है कॉन्डिमेंट्स है दे एड देयर स्पेसिफिक ओन फ्लेवर and they make food palatable. The nutrition, each ingredient contributes specific nutrients. Suppose we are having um, what do we call it? Suppose there's let's just understand this whole concept that every ingredient have their own nutritional value. A particular item can provide you carbohydrate and a particular ingredient can provide you proteins. And when you're combining it together to make a dish, then you're going to be getting a balanced diet, which is crucial. Then texture and consistency, we already discussed it. Ingredients like flour, eggs, milk affect the texture and consistency of dishes. Examples of ingredient combinations. Okay, like salad. Okay, for to make a salad, we need different ingredients like lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and some dressing. So these are the different ingredients to make a dish which we call salad. And every ingredient here have their own nutritional value. Sandwich. Now, bread, butter, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and ham. Rice dish, rice, vegetables, spices, meat, or beans. So, rice is giving you carbohydrates, meats and beans are giving you protein. So, basically, it is making a good balanced dish. So, understanding ingredients, knowing the ingredients and their properties helps in making healthy and delicious meals. If you know the property and importance of a certain ingredient, then you can create different and nutritional dishes as well. Awareness of ingredients also helps in identifying and avoiding food allergies and intolerances. So, certain people have allergies towards a specific ingredient, like some people have allergy towards this egg. So, if you know about this ingredient in detail, and if you are aware that a certain person has allergy with this thing, then you're not going to be adding it in the to make a dish. So, it's very important to understand the ingredients and their food allergies also. Then we have sources of food. There are two main sources of food, plants and animals. Plants, let's discuss about plants first. Plants are a primary source of food for both humans and animals. They provide food through process of photosynthesis, as we have already mentioned, like, as we have already heard previously, that there's a process called photosynthesis, and with the help of this, plants make their own food, and they are also called autotrophs. Examples of plant-based foods are fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and seeds. Then we have animals. Animal-based foods are, they provide a variety of food products. Examples are meat, milk, eggs, honey. We all get these ingredients from animals. Then plant-based sources. Now we're going to be discussing it in a bit detail. Fruits, for example. So fruits maybe have apples, oranges, bananas, berries. So nutritional value, what they are providing is they are rich in vitamin, fiber, and natural sugars. Then vegetables may we have carrots, spinach, broccoli, and tomatoes. Nutrition values, they provide minerals, vitamins, and fiber. Then we have grains and cereals. Examples are rice, wheat, oats, and maize. Nutritional values, major source of carbohydrates and energy. Then we have nuts and seeds. Almonds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, chia seeds. Inki nutritional value that they are healthy in fats, protein, and fiber. Then animal-based sources. Meat. Okay, so meat के examples में आ गए chicken, beef, pork, lamb. Nutritional value, they are high in protein, iron, and essential vitamins. Dairy products examples milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. Nutritional value, excellent source of calcium, proteins, and vitamins. Eggs nutritional value provide high quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. Then there's a certain area where seafood is like very popular. An example of seafood is fish, shrimp, crab, and oysters. They are rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids and minerals. Honey. Honey is produced by bees from flower nectar. So, इनकी nutritional value that they are natural sweetener with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Okay. Now, importance of both the sources. So, animal-based food and plant-based food, they both have their own importances. Balanced diet. Incorporating both plant and animal food ensures a balanced intake of nutrients. Sustainability, understanding food sources helps promote sustainable eating habits and food production. Plant parts and their foods. Okay, so we get certain foods from different parts of the plant. For example, there are edible parts of plants. Different parts of plants are consumed as food. Each part offers unique nutritional benefits and flavors. Now, the roots. Okay, examples: carrots, beets, radishes, sweet potatoes. These are all plant roots. And इनके nutritional value है कि vitamins मिलता है, minerals, fiber, provide energy and support digestive health. Then stems, में we have celery, asparagus, sugarcane, bamboo shoots. इनकी nutritional value है contain fiber, vitamins and minerals. Often they are like low in calories. They do not provide like a lot of energy, but they are good for hydration. Then we have leaves. Leaves में आ गया spinach, lettuce, cabbage, kale. न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू है विटामिन जैसे कि विटामिन ए विटामिन सी विटामिन के केल में there's like a lot of vitamin K as well as iron and calcium. So this is the nutritional value, and they support immune function, good for immunity and bone health. Then flowers में examples आ गया broccoli. They are also shaped like flowers. So broccoli, cauliflower, artichokes. So nutritional value packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They promote overall health and reduce inflammation. Reduction means, um, suppose there's like elevated, what should I say, a wound on your hand, and it's like red in color. That's called inflammation, basically. So they are helping reducing that inflammation. So then fruits. Fruits may we have apples, bananas, oranges, berries, tomatoes. So provide vitamins, particularly vitamin C, we get from fruits. Then fiber and natural sugars. A fruit sugar, just a important question. You can just answer in the comment section, like which is what. Just mention a fruit sugar. Okay, name a fruit sugar in the comment. That's your task to do it right now. And then where were we? Yeah. So it's about heart health, good for the heart, and then boost immunity. Then we have seeds: beans, lentils, peas, sunflower seeds, quinoa. Okay, so these are the examples of seeds. High in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They aid in muscle repair and provide sustained energy. Understanding plant foods. Knowing which part of the plant we are consuming helps in understanding its nutritional benefits. If you're gonna be aware of the fact that this part of the plant, this is the part of the plant that we are consuming, then you'll be knowing the nutritional benefits of that certain plant part. Different plant parts can be used in a variety of dishes, offering a wide range of flavors and textures. So there could be wide range of flavors and texture because of the difference in the parts of the plant. Example of dishes in various plant parts. For example, salads often include leaves. Okay, so salads में different parts कौन कौन से हो गए leaves. Okay, जैसे कि lettuce and spinach हम डालते हैं salad बनाने के लिए. Then we have fruits, tomatoes and cucumbers we can add to prepare salads. Then seeds where we can add, that's sunflower seeds or sesame. seeds जो होते हैं. Then stir fries can include stems, celery and asparagus we can use. Then flowers, broccoli and cauliflower we can use. And then roots के लिए carrots and radishes. Then soups and stews may use a mix of roots जैसे कि potatoes and carrots to prepare soups and stews. Seeds may we can add beans and lentils. Then leaves may we can use kale and cabbage. Animal products. Introduction to animal products. Animal provide various food products that are essential for a balanced diet. These products are rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So let's discuss about different types of animal products now. Meat. For example, chicken, beef, pork, and lamb. High in protein, essential amino acids इसमें बहुत होते हैं. Then iron. अच्छा, what are essential amino acids? You have to mention in the comment section also. Then iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Benefits are supports muscle growth and repair को support करता है. Then immune system के लिए is good. Then energy provide करता है. Then dairy products में we have milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. Nutritional values की है कि excellent source है calcium का. विटामिन डी का भी excellent source है. Then protein मिलता है. Then healthy fats. Benefits इसके है कि it strengthens bones and teeth as it's giving calcium. So bones and teeth are important. Calcium is like an important nutrient, I would say, to help mineral to strengthen bones and teeth. So if you're getting calcium from dairy products, that means the benefit could be it helps in bone and teeth strengthening. Also, it aids in muscle function and supports overall health. Eggs. Eggs की न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू में हाई क्वालिटी प्रोटीन मिल रहा है. देन विटामिन ए डी ई एंड B12 एज वेल एज मिनरल्स लाइक आयरन एंड फॉस्फोरस. सो एग में कौन से मिनरल्स होते हैं? आयरन एंड फॉस्फोरस. So these kind of questions can also come in MCQ form, so you have to be like very aware. Benefits है support brain health. Eggs are good for brain health. Then eyesight, eye health के लिए and aid in muscle repair and growth. Seafood. Example, fish. Fish may we have a wide variety of fishes like salmon, tuna, cod, codfish. Cod एक oil भी बनाते हैं इस fish का, cod liver oil, good for liver health. Then we have shellfish. Example, shrimp, crab, oysters. They come in the category of shellfish. Nutritional value क्या है कि rich in omega 3 fatty acids में rich होते हैं. Proteins, vitamins like D and B12. Okay, and minerals like iodine and selenium. Benefits. So seafood promote heart health, support brain function and reduce inflammation. Honey. Honey is produced by bees from flower nectar. So bees basically sit on the flower and then they suck that nectar and then they make honey with the help of that. So that's the process of making honey. Nutritional value. It contains natural sugars, antioxidants होते हैं, antibacterial properties होती हैं. So that's why honey we also use honey, to make a face pack because it has antioxidants and it has antibacterial properties. So it's good for your skin as well. Benefits provides quick energy, boost immune system and soothe sore throats. Now, what is the importance of animal products? Protein source. What is the importance of animal products? Protein source में we have animal products are a primary source of high quality protein, essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues. Micronutrients where we have they provide essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for various bodily functions. Dietary balance, including animal products in the diet, helps ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Ethical and sustainable consumption. What are the ethical considerations here? Be aware of animal welfare and choose products from ethical sources. So we have to be like ethically, considerate about, the animal welfare. And basically, they're just saying that do not, just do that harmful killing and all that. So be ethical. And then sustainability, opt for sustainability sourced animal products to reduce environmental impact.